I used to drive a tractor trailer.
Oh, awesome.
And so I know a little bit about driving big trucks.
No, that's great.
But anyway, I only did it for part of a summer.
Oh, okay.
But I got my license to do it.
What's going on with the truckers? So Biden is at it once again. Earlier this year, he said that he was a truck driver. Well, yesterday at a technical college in Rosemount, Minnesota, he basically tells the director the same story once again, that he was a truck driver and he did it for a summer and that he got his Class A. Now, you can hear it clear here. Last time he said no, he was saying that he just rode with a truck. Here he is saying he is a truck driver. And all I have to say to that is us truck drivers take offense to that. Why? Because we're not home with our families. We sacrifice, we get treated like ish, and at the end of the day, you're not doing anything to help us truck drivers either. So don't pretend like you understand what we're going through and how we feel. You know, don't say for conversation, if I'm talking to an astronaut, I'm not going to say that I was an astronaut and I've been to the moon before, because I won't be able to relate to that. So all I have to say is, as a truck driver myself, please just don't say you were one if you never were. Thank you.